Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a cybersecurity metrics dashboard with Tableau step by step clearly. Begin by defining the key cybersecurity metrics you want to track. Identify critical areas like incident response time, threat detection rate, and vulnerability remediation. Gather your data sources, including logs, incident reports, and network activity. Ensure that your data is clean, consistent, and well organized in a manageable format. Open Tableau and create a new workbook to start building your dashboard. Connect Tableau to your data sources by clicking on the Connect pane. Select the appropriate data connection type, like Excel, SQL, or a server. Import the necessary datasets into Tableau for your dashboard. Explore your data using the data pane to understand its structure and relationships. Begin creating individual visualizations for each key metric. Use bar charts for incident counts and line graphs for trends over time. Incorporate a pie chart to represent the distribution of incidents by category. Arrange your visualizations on a single dashboard page for an overview. Utilize Tableau's drag-and-drop functionality to place your charts in an organized layout. Add interactivity with filters and parameters to allow users to customize views. Include a title and brief descriptions for each visualization to provide context. Consider using color coding to represent different severity levels of incidents. Preview your dashboard to ensure all visual elements are clear and insightful. Make any necessary adjustments to improve readability and presentation. Once satisfied with the layout, save your Tableau workbook. Publish your dashboard to Tableau Server or Tableau Public for easy access. Share your dashboard link with your team for collaboration and ongoing monitoring. Regularly update the data in your dashboard to maintain relevance and accuracy. Seek feedback from stakeholders to refine your metrics and visuals over time. Document the process and any changes made for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.